G'day everyone, welcome to another episode of Uncle Joey Jojo. Great to see you all again. Today we're just going to talk on circular saw blades, and I'm going to get to do a review on the Diablo. So a circular saw is one of the most used saws. If you haven't seen it before, I've got a video just on circular saws and the different sizes we've got. Well, part of circular saws is the blades that we use, same as if we're using a hand saw, panel saw, crosscut saw, all of those, or perhaps a Japanese pull saw. There's all different types of saws, there's all different types of blades, and depending on the job that we're doing, depends on the blade that we use. Very common, if we pick up a circular saw from a shop that's already got a blade in it, it's usually a 20 to 24 tooth. So it's quite a coarse or rough cutting saw blade. My favourite one to use is a 40 tooth, as this one here is, a 40 tooth blade, or a 60 tooth, but a 60 tooth is more for fine tooth carpentry. 40 tooth gives me a bit more variety. I can use it similar to a 24 tooth, but I can also get a really nice smooth cut if I take my time. So if you're in the market for a new saw blade, I suggest that you look at all different saw blades. I have Bosch, Diablo, Irwin, there's many different types and there's many different sizes. One thing you do need to pay heed to is the thickness of the blade itself. So some of these are very thick, some of them can be 3 mil, the teeth wide, and those type of blades will last a very long period of time, but they're going to be a bit rough. You can get ones that are 1 mil. 1 mil is great for super fine work, but the only problem with a 1 mil thick blade is it won't last very long. It'll blunten very quickly because there's not much meat there. My favourite's around about a 2 mil, 1.5 to 2 mil blade thickness with a high tensile steel. Here we have a different type of saw blade. Again, it's a 40 tooth, but it's a smaller blade. It's a 6 1/4. Just note that there's no battery. This is another type of saw blade. It's a 6 1/4 size saw, a 40 tooth blade, nice and thin, very quick and accurate to cut. Get some nice lines with it. If you're in the market for a good cut, look at your different saw blades, understand the saws that you're using, the reason that you're using them or the job at hand that you're doing, and more than anything, make sure you get the right tool for the right job. Thanks for watching. Any questions or queries, flick them over. I'll answer them for you best I can. Till next time, stay unreal, banana peel, and I'll see you in the soup.